Hey, what's up, y'all? We back at it again. Today we got tuna steaks, asparagus. We're gonna make a good meal. Got my seasoning right there. It's lemon pepper, garlic salt, seasoning salt. Got the egg, got the Parmesan cheese, bread crust, and that's the W sauce, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. All right. Now we're gonna whip this up. I'm gonna show you what to do. Now, let's get to it. Let's get this egg whisked up. Get it beat pretty good. I kind of want it thinned out, not too thick. So what I'm gonna do with this tuna, I'm going to make, first we're gonna season it. We'll make like a crust, just a nice crust on it. I really don't want the crust to cook into the tuna, if you will. I just kind of want it to have crust to it. So with that being said, let's get both of these sides seasoned, and let's build them up. See how nice those look? Yes, I'm going for breadcrumbs first. Then we're going to do a double dip. Gotta put the egg wash on there first. Then it will be more so frying the breading into the, or frying the crust into the tuna. I don't want that. Just want a nice little crust on it. And I'm using Italian breadcrumbs. Let's get it cooking. All right, got my skillet medium high. Put a little oil in there. Doesn't take long for this tuna to cook. I just want to get a nice crust. I want to get this breading crusted pretty good. Yeah, something like that there. I'll let them cook a little bit longer, because I do not want breading. I want it crusted like that. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what we want. Now, throw the asparagus right in behind the tuna in that same oil. Get all that goodness. Just get them mixed in real good. Asparagus needs to cook about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how you want them. I like to have them have still like a little crunch to them, not cook all the way down, just to where they're just limp and soggy. And what I'm doing also, I cooked me some mashed potatoes. Now let's plate it. So got some garlic mashed potatoes I already had cooked. I'm gonna cut this tuna. See how that crust is just staying on there. Look at that, cooked perfectly. Let's get our asparagus. Put some on each side. Get our grated Parmesan cheese. And we got some chives. And it's time for our W sauce with our ketchup with a little bit of barbecue sauce. Get that in there. Now look at that. That's good right there. That's smacking. So look at that. Crusted tuna with mashed potatoes and asparagus. Thank you.